Hi, welcome to Live and Love to Craft. Today we're looking at making a belt. We have a small production run, so we're going to be utilizing a couple machines to speed up our process. So we're going to be using 4 different types of machines. We'll be using a rotary strap cutter. We're going to be using a hand press. We're going to be using a tipping machine, and we're also going to be using a heat creaser. Pretty straightforward process. Stay tuned and we're going to walk you through how you can use some of these machines to help you along in your projects. So we started with the hide of leather of your choice. We stripped them into strips. In this case they were 1.5 inches. After we've cut our straps, we're going to now tip the ends. Take our end die. You're going to simply slide it into the machine. We'll lock that die inside so it doesn't move. Now we're going to take our strap. Simply lay it inside the machine. You have to make sure that the belt strap's all the way up against the fence. That's critical. Centered in the machine. Simply pull down. Just give it a little click. So that tips the end. This is now ready for your hardware of choice. So remove this die, slide it out. Other side. Okay, now that we have our belt strap cut and both tipped, we're going to add a border detail across both sides of the perimeter of the strip. So to do that, we're going to actually use our heat creaser. We'll have the setting at 150, and then this tip will heat up, and we're using an F2 tip, and that will give you an offset. So one side on the edge, and then we're going to strip. Take the edge. So now that we beveled our edge, we want to seal the flesh side. So we're going to take some Tokonol, take our foam brush, slide it right across the... Okay, take our glass burnisher, really push hard and mat all that. As a final detail, if you want to just clean up some of the frayed edge inside the oblong, you can take the burnishing pin here on the edge creaser and just mat down any loose fibers for that extra finishing touch. So after we've finished our belt strap, both ends are tipped and everything's finished. We're going to take our 1/2 inch rope buckle hardware. We're going to simply locate the buckle end, and you want to fish strap through, get the tongue through there, just like so. We drop the bottom rivet with the post side sticking up. You're going to take your belt strap with the hole, so the post is sticking out. And then we're just going to drop that down like so. Pull it up. Hardware set on one. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to set the post on the bottom, cap on top. And one more time, we're going to set this in like so. Make sure it lines up. That's it. And now you've got a nice finished, fully functional belt. It looks like that. So we started with the hide of leather of your choice. We stripped them into strips. We punched the holes and tipped the ends, as well as the buckle side. After we did that, we added an edge crease detail on the side. We also burnished some of the holes to just clean up any residual fibers. Afterwards, we also sealed it with a burnishing gum, followed by a glass burnisher, just to fuse all those fibers to the back. And then last but not least, we installed our hardware using 2 double cap rivets and the rope buckle. We finished the belt. So as you can see, we've used numerous amounts of different types of equipment to help us finish our project. And the benefits of using the machine tools allow you to get consistent results, also with speed. From all of us here at Ivan Leather, thanks for watching.